What is happening to our world? Oceans, rivers, lakes are dying. They are dying for many reasons, and one of them is mining. What is mining? Mining is an economic activity. It belongs to the primary sector and its aim is to extract geological materials from ore deposits such as copper, nickel, gold, and any non-renewable resource such as petroleum, natural gas, or even water. Mining has 5 different phases: exploration, development, active mining, ore extraction, and beneficiation. In active mining, we have 3 main types: open pit mining, placer mining, and underground mining. Mining in Brazil. Now, let's see Brazil as an example of minery potency and how this activity impacts its environment. Brazil has a wide variety of natural resources mined every year. These elements and metals include gold, aluminum, iron, diamonds, emeralds, and traces of many others. Around 7,392 mining companies are located in Brazil. Environmental impact of mining in Brazil. A major environmental issue concerning Brazilian mining industry is mercury exposure. Due to gold mining activities in Brazil, large quantities of mercury are being released into the Amazon River, its tributaries, and the air. Brazilian mining exports to other countries. The mining industry in Brazil is such a potency because of its mining exports. Brazil's mining industry accounts for 16% of Brazilian exports. China has played a very important role for Brazilian mining companies and has become the largest importer of Brazilian minerals, especially iron ore. During 2015, China was the destination of 30% of all Brazilian mineral exports. The United States was the second largest importer in 2015, followed by the Netherlands, Japan, UK, and Germany. Now, let's see the environmental impact of shipping Brazilian minerals. As we know, these exports generate a great economic impact in Brazil, but this doesn't mean that the environmental impact finishes once the minerals are extracted. We have to take in consideration the environmental impact the exports of these minerals have. Brazilian minerals are shipped massively in huge vessels that obviously pollutes the air and the water. There have also been a lot of cases in which these vessels sink and the minerals of the containers leak and pollute the water. We have, for example, the case of the Stellar Daisy. It was a ship roughly the size of 100 tennis courts. It sunk en route from Brazil. The South Korean vessel was carrying 266,000 tons of iron ore to China. It was one of the several maritime accidents, and this was extremely toxic to the environment. But of course, this is not the end of what we have about mining. It is expected that by 2018, mining at the bottom of the sea will be a reality. This is even worse for the environment, in this case, the ocean. With the adaptation of shipping to transport minerals between countries, mining activities have increased not only in South America but also in Africa and other continents. Now, there is no mine-free place on Earth, and this overexploitation of natural resources is changing the world in many aspects, from economy to the environment. Just a friendly reminder: this is the only home we have. The true wealth of the planet is in its natural resources.
Created using Powtoon.